I just found the best alternative for ChatGPT, and its name is Claude. It's free, it's good, it boosts your workflow like completely. And in the next couple of minutes, I'm going to show you all its features and how to use it to speed up your productivity. Stay tuned. So to start with, we're going to go to their website at claude.ai. And here you can sign in either using your email address or Google. I'm going to use my Google account. Claude has a very minimalistic interface with a text prompt and a button where you can upload any sort of text file for it to read information from. And then basically you can just hit the button and start the chat. For starters, we're just gonna type in some basic prompts. So for instance, how do I get from New York to Rome? And voila, as you can see, the prompt is now answered in detailed explanation on how to get to Rome from New York in a myriad of ways. And believe me, this is just a particle of all its capabilities. If you would like to compare it to ChatGPT, you can see that both of them give pretty detailed and concise answers. So one of the most prominent features for large language models is that you can use it as a tutor. For example, I'm going to ask Claude to come up with some facts about South African history. And boom, this is just an overview of South African history, but you can see it's detailed, has a clear outline and emphasis on the general structures. And if you'd like to go more in depth, you can definitely ask it to explain the details. And this is not only useful to students, but to basically all professionals. Everyone needs to learn stuff, and you can learn whatever you want using Claude. So in addition to tutoring, another great feature Claude supports is the ability to generate high-quality code in a very short time, just like ChatGPT. So here I asked it to code up a binary classification model, which is a basic model in machine learning that categorizes data into two classes. And as you can see, Claude has generated some concise and beautiful code for us with detailed commentary, and it runs perfectly well on any computer. And finally, we're going to test out this magical gray button here, which allows you to upload a file and you can let it summarize its contents. So here we are going to upload a paper and let it summarize the content for us. As you can see, Claude has generated a bullet-pointed summary that's decently concise and also detailed for us. And you can also ask it questions that are more in-depth. So for example, I'm going to ask what exactly is the transformer, and this is a key concept of the paper, and let's see how it explains it. So now you can see Claude has provided a state-of-the-art explanation that is both conclusive as well as informative. And by reading this, you can get a decent idea of how this model works. It really thrives with text-related tasks, and you can save a lot of time letting Claude do these tasks for you. So to just get a feel of how transformers work in the real world, let's ask Claude to generate some examples of transformer usage in the industry. Claude has provided a list of examples on how the transformer model is used in the world. And actually it's interesting how the GPT, which is basically the heart of these large language models, is also part of this application. So as you can see, Claude has proved itself to be a highly compatible language model that is a perfect alternative for ChatGPT. And the best part about it is it's completely free. So go ahead and check out Claude, and be sure to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.